Alright guys, well the 88 is getting closer and closer to being a daily driver, and with that we're going to need some mufflers, so let's take a look at what we got. So I got these are a new to me Flowmaster. It's a Flow FX, and also got these little guys here. My H-pipe did not have the ball and socket set up, so I'm going to put that on there. These Flowmasters are pretty cool. Alright guys, so like a Dynamax Ultra Flow or a Magna Flow, it's straight through with packing. And it's all stainless steel, which is fancy and nice. As a welder, I hate stainless, but as far as being a consumer, it's a nice thing to have, and it's shiny and pretty. These are about 40 bucks each. So shout out to Flowmaster for making these affordable. A comparable muffler to this is, I want to say, like $70 or $80. So good job for them. All right guys, this is a big improvement. The other exhaust setup I had didn't have the ball and socket. It actually went from 2.5 down to 2 1/4 to some old style 2-chamber Flowmasters. So these, they ought to flow better, and they definitely sound really good. You get a sound clip here in just a second. Alright guys, that's about going to wrap it up. That's the Flowmaster Flow FX. Very similar to a Magna Flow. It's a straight through design. I really like the sound, and I really like the price. So I'd recommend them. Somewhere in this video there's going to be a screenshot. Y'all take a look at it. It's a dyno sheet, or kind of a compilation of a bunch of dyno runs with the different popular, excuse me, scratching. With the different popular Mustang mufflers. The car that they tested these on, it was a 306 with stage 3 trick flow heads and Anderson N91 cam. I can't remember what the intake was or really anything else, but that's pretty much the combo. Obviously a really strong car. So 302, 4.6, it's not really a big motor. The kind of horsepower we run is not a ton, so flow is not it's not as big a deal on a smaller motor. So the Flowmaster did okay in the stack up, but if you're looking for every little bit, if you're trying to go from 8.0 to 799, or if you're just trying to chip away, you'd probably be better off with a straight through muffler. Uncle Tony's got a good video about back pressure, so you might want to check that out. He's got an awesome channel and a ton of knowledge. I really enjoy what he puts out. So I think that's going to pretty much wrap it up. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope to be at the track soon. I'll see y'all later.